Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Tyler here with Gemstone Window Cleaning. I just wanted to share something with you guys today. It's a cool little app that I use to make a little bit extra money while I'm out canvassing and checking other storefronts, albeit whether it be in shopping plazas, malls, anywhere really. It's a cool, like I say, it's an app. I keep it on my other phone, and I mean, it's a little bit extra money. It takes 2 seconds to use, and it's called Job Spotter. Now I know it works here in Canada. I don't know if it works in the US or abroad. If it does and it works for you and you're not in Canada, please let me know in the comments because I'm curious. But anyways, I'm going to flip the screen around here and show you what it is. So hold on a second here. Okay, so the app is called Job Spotter, and you can get it in, I'm pretty sure it works for Apple. I have an Android. So I know it works for us. It probably works for Apple as well, but it's like it says by Indeed. They have contests every month to get extra points. And like I said, it's something very, very simple and very easy where you just literally just take a picture of a store, take a picture of the front, take a picture of the hiring sign. So you can see like right here, I click, it says join us. Hiring, it's a bit of an angle, but you can still read it. And like I said, I took a sign and then I sent it in, and it's I got 34 points for it. So you just do that as you're going out and you're canvassing stores. You see a couple storefronts, they got a hiring sign. Just a quick photo is all it takes. It literally takes me 6 seconds to get loaded up. And even I'll go over to the wallet here. I would just have to start here. So like you see, I got a 667 Canadian balance just for a couple of submissions. I haven't put a lot in. But even you can see down here that my previous transactions have already cashed out $56.76 for an e-gift card and $21.15 for an e-gift card. So from June to October, I made $56 just while I was out canvassing, and you know, out in the mall with my daughter and my wife. You just kind of see hiring signs, you take a quick picture, you submit it, and away you go. And then once you're ready, when at any dollar amount, you just click redeem, and you'll get an Amazon gift card, which is absolutely insane. So like I said, it's free money. You know, essentially, you know, I get that gift card. That's a couple boxes of diapers. You know, it's some formula. Maybe something for myself for a gift for the wife. You literally, it's free money, more or less. You're already out there. You're doing work. You're grinding. You're hustling, and that's literally it's just a little extra. Like I said, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I want you to check out Job Spotter. I think it's really cool. It's a neat way to make a couple extra bucks while you're out and about. You know, just you're canvassing, you're out visiting stores, you're going into buildings as it is, and all you just have to take is see if there's a little hiring sign on the door or the window. It's usually right by the entrance anyways. Just a quick snapshot of that, quick snapshot of the storefront. As long as there's no people in it, there's a couple other ground rules, but it's very, very easy and simple. You just couple clicks and away you go. I mean, you're getting anywhere from 30 to 75 cents per, but I mean, in reality, it's 10 seconds of your time. So totally worth it just to have on hand while you're out canvassing and checking out the storefronts, even if you're just out shopping. It's a neat tool, and definitely check it out. Please, yeah, again, if you can get it for Android or for like Apple iOS, and if it works in the US or outside of Canada and the US, please leave a comment. Let me know. I'm curious. And last but not least, guys, you know, if you're liking my videos and you're liking what I'm doing, kind of seeing the day in the life of a window cleaner, please like and subscribe, hit that bell notification, and yeah, again, let me know what you guys think. Anyways, I'm going to go back out, clean some more windows. My coffee looks like I could use a refresh, so just going to go into McDonald's and get my another $1 coffee. Keep hustling, guys. See ya.